Project 366, day 35. It is Sunday and I am on the lawn today. It's not looking awesome. It's looking a bit not its best actually, but too much rain. I should have renovated it a number of months ago, but I didn't get around to it. So now all the worm castings are coming up. So it's not quite as nice as I would hope. Anyway, I'll just do it. Just keep it ticking on. Hopefully I can improve soon. So let's go and do it. Actually, the more I look at it, the worse it's looking. However, disappointingly, not great for this time of year. TifTuf's been a little bit tricky, but my own fault. Did a couple of things to it that I probably shouldn't have, just a bit crushed. And just have to wait. Hopefully I can get something nice bit of green back before the end of summer. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm going to fertilise it now, liquid fertilise it just to kick it along a little bit, just give it a bit more chance to green up a bit. But yeah, anyway, let's do it. Alright, using a product called Booster Green. Usually up a couple 100 mils, 400 mils, sorry. Bit of water. Try not to miss like I just did there.